Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a lot of people have been asking me what was the deal with a problem on Samsung devices with Windows. It's very important to understand that a lot are mixing two things. They're mixing up Samsung SSD drives. This has nothing to do with the drives. It has to do with Samsung branded computers, PCs that are sold by Samsung. So what happens is that since the update of March, some Samsung users ended up trying to access their drives and gets these messages: C is not accessible, access is denied. So Microsoft and Samsung were investigating the problem, looking at what is causing the issue. And Microsoft came to the conclusion that the problem has to do with an app that is installed on Samsung computers, which is the Galaxy Connect app, which basically is the app where you can transfer files and connect devices or mirror screen on a device. So, what is happening is that Microsoft has removed the app from the Microsoft Store temporarily, and the Samsung is working apparently on a updated app that fixes the bug. So the problem isn't with Windows; it's really that the app with the latest update has something that started going wrong. So a new version of that app will come out, and so we'll fix this issue. So this has nothing to do, once again, with SSD drives from the Samsung brand, because a lot of people, I think, understood that rather than understanding that the problem lies on Samsung branded computers instead. So if you have a Samsung computer and you had this problem, well, it's the Galaxy Connect app that's causing the issue. So this should be, I guess you can maybe remove it. I don't know if this fixes the problem by just uninstalling the Galaxy Connect app and waiting for a new version to come out. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.